Hello and welcome traders. In today's exciting video, we're diving into how to register and create your brand new account on KredKonnect. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this platform has a lot to offer. First things first, let's get started by opening your web browser and heading over to connect.credilino.com. Once you land on the homepage, look for the big bold button that says Register for Free. It's hard to miss. Go ahead and click on that. If you're new here, this is your gateway to joining the community. If you already have an account, you can simply log in to access your details. All right, let's click on Register for Free. Now it's time to fill out the registration form. Start by entering your full name. I'll enter mine. Shubham Yadav. Next, type in your email address. Mine is shubhamyadav.2.1@gmail.com. Now let's create a secure password. Make sure it's something strong and memorable. After that, select your country code. Since I'm in India, I'll choose +91 and then enter my mobile number. You'll also have the option to upload a profile picture. I'll go ahead and select one now to personalize my account a bit. Now it's time to click on Sign Up. If you encounter a message saying User already exists, don't worry. This means the email you provided is already registered. Simply follow the same process to register with a different email. In our next video, we'll explore how to add your broker, whether it's Zerodha, Kotak Securities, or Rupee Broker. There's so much more to learn. So stay tuned, and as always, have a fantastic day trading.